Hi, my name's Kit Holder. I'm a soloist with Birmingham Royal Ballet and also a choreographer. As a company, we love our performances at Symphony Hall. It gives us an opportunity to showcase our fantastic orchestra and also for us as dancers to perform shorter gala-style ballets that we wouldn't necessarily be able to perform in our normal touring performances. The Symphony Hall stage gives us an opportunity to perform in a different space without the traditional proscenium arch that we have in theatres. And also our orchestra is behind us rather than in front of us, which is great. The sound is much more present for us. For this year's performance, I've choreographed a short duet, a beautiful piece of Elgar. It's wonderful for me to be able to do that because there's often not an opportunity to create short works. We have a fantastic orchestra, the Royal Ballet Symphonia, and it's really nice for us. We work with these guys all the time. It's nice to lift them up and for the audience to also have the opportunity to see that, not just hear it. We look forward to seeing you there at Symphony Hall.